Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you a very popular Bengali fish dish, Bhapa Ilish or steam hilsa. Today I am using my instant pot. So keep watching this video till the end. Hope you will like it. Here I have 2 pieces of ilish mach or hilsa fish. I have cleaned and washed them. 1 tablespoon mustard oil, 1 tablespoon yellow mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon black mustard seeds, pinch of sugar, 1 teaspoon salt according to taste, but here I have taken 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon yogurt, 1 tablespoon shredded coconut is optional, little bit ginger about 1 teaspoon, 6 to 7 pieces of green chilies. Here I am taking a blending jar. I will soak the mustard seeds with lukewarm water for 10 minutes only because it will help to make a smooth paste. So here I am adding yellow mustard seeds, black mustard seeds and some water, lukewarm water, not too much. Leave it for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. Now I will make a paste with ginger and 5 green chilies. I will use 3 slitted green chilies later. Turmeric powder, salt and sugar. Now I am going to add coconut and will grind with mustard paste. Okay, paste is ready. Look at this consistency. Place a stand inside the instant pot and pour about 1 inch of water to steam the fish. Here I am taking a steamer pan. Add mustard paste, yogurt and half tablespoon mustard oil. Beat them well. Coat the fish pieces properly. Now I am adding remaining oil and 3 slitted green chilies. Just cover it like this and put it on the clamp. Okay, our fish is ready to steam. Now place the steamer pan inside the instant pot. Now cover the lid. Make sure it is sealing position. Now press the steam button and let it cook for 10 minutes. It's almost 10 minutes. I will let it sit in the warm mode for 5 more minutes. Then I will release the steam. It's already 5 minutes. Let me release the steam. Our Bhapa Ilish is ready, or steam hilsa. Let me serve it. Bhapa Ilish or steam hilsa, serve with steamed rice. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.